How to invest in real estate without owning property. What if I told you that you could make thousands of dollars from real estate without ever buying a single property? Sounds impossible, right? Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see money deposited into your account. Passive income, all from real estate investments you don't even own. No tenants, no mortgages, no massive upfront capital. And the best part? Almost nobody is talking about it. But here's the harsh truth. Most people think real estate investing is only for the rich. That's a lie. Today, I'm going to show you how everyday people, yes, even you, can invest in real estate with little to no money down and without ever holding a single deed. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change your financial future forever. Let me tell you a quick story. Meet Jason. Just 2 years ago, Jason was drowning in student debt, working a dead-end 9-to-5, and dreaming of financial freedom. He believed the only way to escape was to buy rental properties, but banks kept rejecting him. He felt hopeless, stuck in a system designed to favor the wealthy. Then, Jason discovered a loophole, a way to invest in real estate without ever owning property. He used a method that turned a few $100s into a six-figure business. Today, Jason makes money from real estate without dealing with tenants, repairs, or property taxes. And now, I'm going to show you exactly how he did it. But before we dive in, let me ask you, have you ever felt like real estate is only for the rich? Have you ever wanted to invest but didn't have the capital? If so, keep watching, because this video is going to open your eyes to strategies you won't believe. Why traditional real estate investing is broken. Most people think real estate investing means buying a property, renting it out, and slowly building wealth. But here's the ugly truth. You need a massive down payment. With rising property prices, even a 10% down payment can be tens of thousands of dollars. Banks don't approve everyone. If you don't have great credit, a high income, or years of financial history, you're out of luck. Landlords deal with headaches, tenants, repairs, property taxes. It's exhausting. So if you've ever felt like the real estate game was rigged against you, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's another way? The hidden path to real estate wealth that no one talks about. Here's where things get interesting. There are legal, proven ways to make money in real estate without owning property. These methods are used by savvy investors, but they rarely teach them to the public. You don't need a mortgage. You don't need a perfect credit score. And you don't even need a huge amount of capital. 5 ways to invest in real estate without owning property. Number 1, real estate crowdfunding. Instead of buying an entire property, what if you could own a tiny fraction of multiple properties? Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet let you invest with as little as $500. You earn passive income from rental properties without ever being a landlord. How it works. These platforms pool money from many investors and use it to buy real estate. You invest a small amount and receive a share of the rental income and property appreciation. Pro tip: start with a small investment to test the waters. Look for crowdfunding platforms that have a solid track record and transparent fees. Number 2, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Think of REITs as stocks for real estate. You buy shares in a company that owns income-producing properties, like shopping malls, apartment complexes, or office buildings. It's like owning real estate without the headaches. How it works. REITs trade on the stock market. When you buy shares, you get a portion of the profits from rent collected by the company. Pro tip: look for REITs that have a history of paying high dividends. This ensures you get steady passive income. Number 3, wholesaling real estate. This is the ultimate low-risk, high-reward method. You find undervalued properties, get them under contract, and sell that contract to an investor without ever buying the property yourself. Jason, from our story, started with this method and made $50,000 in his first year. How it works: you identify motivated sellers, negotiate a deal, and then assign the contract to a buyer for a profit. Pro tip: build a strong list of cash buyers before you start. The faster you can assign contracts, the more deals you can close. Number 4, short-term rental arbitrage. Here's a game changer. Instead of buying a property for Airbnb, rent a property, furnish it, and list it on Airbnb for higher nightly rates. You keep the profit while the landlord gets a steady tenant. Some people make $10,000 monthly using this strategy. How it works: you sign a lease agreement with a landlord, furnish the space, and rent it out at a higher rate. Pro tip: negotiate with landlords by offering them guaranteed rent. Make sure your lease allows short-term rentals. Number, private lending. If you have some savings, you can loan money to real estate investors and earn high interest without ever touching a property. Investors constantly need funding, and you can get paid just for providing capital. How it works: you lend money to real estate developers or house flippers. They use your funds, pay you interest, and return the principal. Pro tip: start small and work with experienced investors. Ensure all agreements are legally documented to protect your investment. Which of these strategies excites you the most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more in-depth strategies, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Listen, financial freedom is not just for the rich. The real estate game has changed, and it's time you take advantage of it. You don't need to wait years to start. You don't need to be a millionaire. You just need the right knowledge and the courage to take action. The biggest mistake? Doing nothing. Opportunities like this won't last forever. If Jason can go from struggling in debt to making thousands per month with real estate he doesn't even own, what's stopping you? Your financial future starts now. If this video opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself. See you in the next video.